Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead bag and your dollar bead box for May 2025. So two separate subscriptions, and I just want to apologize for not being around that much and posting things late. I've had an interesting month. I was sick. My husband injured his toe. It's been a little crazy, but hopefully I will get back on track and do more posting next month. So let's take a look at these beautiful beads. So the bead bag is $8 a month, and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And they're absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look. Put them over something really opaque white so that you can really see how gorgeous and bright these colors are. Sometimes it's so hard to tell. So we've got teal, and we have aqua half copper or matte copper. So that's the aqua half copper. Then we have matte teal or matte dark cyan. I believe that's the teal. And then we have beige opal half copper or matte crystal copper. This is the matte crystal copper. Look how gorgeous those are. Absolutely beautiful. Here, I'll pull in real close so you can see the quality of these beads. These gorgeous 4mm fire polish beads, and again 50 beads to the strand. So I really want you to get up close to see the color here. So we've got baby blue or aqua half copper. So we have aqua half copper in the 3mm as well. Turquoise Vega or matte Aegean blue vitriol. That's cool, isn't it? With the matte. Oh, that's beautiful. These are beautiful. Vintage brown luster or topaz vintage silver. It's one of those. I'm going to say this topaz vintage silver. I don't know. More vintage brown luster. It's one of the two. And then we have honey crystal with blue. So it's beautiful, sort of amber colored crystals with a little blue. I'll show you all together how gorgeous this color story. Box, if you're not familiar with it. It's a subscription box. It's as low as $18.50 a month. And it includes the Dollar Bead Club membership. So the membership is, if you just wanted to join the Bead Club, is $35 for the year. So that's included in this box. It's also included, and that's a 6-month subscription. It's also included in the 3-month subscription. That's $19.50 a month. And just 1 month is $19.50. So you have some choices there. So take a look at the website, see what you think. Let's open it up. Okay, so opened it up and you get your letter. Now, if you have your box, go grab it and let's open it together. May 2025. They always put a quote, all things seem possible in May, especially when the colors of the sun and sand are calling. And these colors I haven't seen the box yet, but it always kind of coordinates with the bag. So the bag is all sun and sand colors. Gorgeous. And then you get a May exclusive for DollarBead Box subscribers. So you can read that. They get a coupon code. Here are all their social media. Here is the list of everything that's in here. What I tell you, sun and sand, how gorgeous are these colors. And these pearls, I made something with these pearls. I think we had a color very similar or the same color in a box, and I made a bracelet. I think I'll link that down below for you. It's so gorgeous. Anyway, we'll start with the strands, and then we'll move over to the additional items. Okay, first up, we have these Lucerna bicones, and these are the bicones. Actually, let me move this out of the way. So there we go. And the Lucerna bicones are not faceted. Look at that color. That is stunning. So that you get, they're 6mm, you get 25 pieces, teal or light teal. And then here's the 6mm check glass pearl. Teal or white satin. So clearly I have the teal here. Look at that. That color is just mesmerizing. Isn't it stunning? So you get 20 pieces on the pearl. Okay, next up we have a 3mm check fire polish in crystal, 50 pieces. And this is not faceted. So this looks like a check druck to me. We have this melon bead. 6mm check glass melon, aqua with gold wash or crystal, aqua gold, 25 pieces. And again, look at that glow on that color. That's beautiful. Let's add some sandy colors. So we have a 5mm check fire polish in beige Picasso, 25 pieces. Looks like a little rock you would find on the beach, right? I love their fire polish. They're so beautiful. Oh, like little stones. And then 4mm check glass pearl, bone or golden sand, 40 pieces. Beautiful. Let's look at the additional items. So we have an 8x12mm check glass tabular rectangle mixed Picasso, 4 pieces. And hello, how beautiful is that? So we've got a little that, and with The accents of that gorgeous aqua. Oh, that's so, so pretty. And then we've got, look at this tiara cast butterfly. Let me get this down. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's a spiral butterfly. It's 10 by 16 millimeter. Let me turn it around there for you. There you go. Antique silver. Obviously finished on both sides. I love tiara cast. I'm so glad they're back. Okay, next up, look at these bright colored scallop beads. These are gorgeous. Blue with seafoam green. They are 8 millimeter. You get 6 pieces, and you see that little bit of seafoam green there. I made a necklace a long time ago. I think I used a bunch of these scallop beads from the DollarBead box. I'll see if I can find it. I'll link it. But look at the color on that. It's beautiful. And look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? These are check glass cabochons. So you have a 16 millimeter. You get one, and then you have 14 millimeter. You get two. And these are flat back cabochons. And these, look at the color. Isn't that stunning? Beautiful. This is perfect for bead embroidery. But you can bezel these as well very easily. Okay, next up we have these melon beads. These are 8 millimeter melon beads, check glass melon. Aqua with gold wash, 6 pieces, and here we have, remember the strand? We have the 6 millimeter melon beads. So what a beautiful combination. Of course, you know I love it when whenever I order beads, I always order similar or the same colors in different sizes. I just think it makes it so much easier to bead. It's so inspiring. These colors speak to me. Okay, let's add some more sand to the mix. So we have a 14 millimeter check glass Star of Ishtar. There's this one. That's beautiful. That's such a beautiful, beautiful etching on there, isn't it? That's gorgeous. White alabaster silver with gold wash, 2 pieces. And then look at this guy. This is a 5 by 8 millimeter check glass flat oval opaque beige, 6 pieces. And look where the hole is. It's right at the top. That's like almost like a pendant, isn't it? Beautiful. I love those together. That's gorgeous. Okay, next up we have an 8 millimeter check glass corrugated rondelle opaque beige, 12 pieces, and that's this one. So here it is. It's kind of flat. It looks a little bit like a flower, doesn't it? And look at these really pretty drop charms in antique brass, 8 by 16 millimeter. You get 4 pieces. This makes just a pretty little earring on its own. Beautiful. And then we have a check glass table cut dragonfly, 17 millimeter opaque beige with turquoise wash, 2 pieces. Love dragonflies. And look at the bumblebee, 17 by 22 millimeter check glass bumblebee, turquoise with the copper wash, 1 piece. So, so pretty. All these check glass beads are just stunning. Let me pull out. I have everything right here. So here's everything in your box. Let me grab the bag because I want to show you everything in the bag. How beautifully it's coordinated. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? So here's your bag right here. Take that off. It's the box. The rest is the box. If you can swing both, all you have to do is add a few seed beads and you are beading. You have everything you need to make any kind of gorgeous stringing, bead weaving, you name it, embroidery, you name it. Just gorgeous. All right, so I want to thank you so much for being here. I'll put a link in the description box below the video. Don't forget the coupon code that I have for you for a couple of bucks off. I'll save a couple of bucks, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.